Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So in our previous session, we did some work on the sale order entry, text computation, column adjustment, etc. And one thing was left in the end when we see an existing sale order, for example, we go into the edit of this, and so we see all this information. It is repeated all the way. Okay, so we have to adjust this with the formula, right? So that it does not exceed this thing, right? So let's see, and a few more adjustments were required. We will discuss them in this session. Okay, so let's go and fix this issue that the remarks should be consistent until the entry number, whatever the entry, the last entry, and then it should not appear. So for this, we are going to the VBA editor, yeah, Visual Basic Editor, and this is then we are going to go to this sale order, right? In the sale order, we will go to the initialize event, right? In the initialize event, right? So in the sale order, this is our form, and we go to the form initialize event. Here we have the formula which takes which actually looks up, right? Okay, that is column number 8, probably. Yeah. So we go here. This is the column number 8, right? And here we are actually, yeah. So there is a received, what is the received um, control name? Means the status. That is called the status, right? So the stat is in the sale order. If we go here, yeah, and we have the stat. This is from, yeah, this is the status, right? If we press F4, so this is the stat, and which is first of all being adjusted, and as soon as it is uh, entered, so it is displayed in the list box. But since we are doing the edit of this, so we go to the edit of the sale order. So this is the sale order edit box. Okay, so yeah, as soon as it is edited, we want to drag all this information, pull all the information from the SO detail and into the list box, right? So this is the where we are doing it, and now we will concentrate on the stat, right? So where is the stat? We will find it. We can do the this is this thing, right? If this is equal to new, then this and this and that. So this is where we have to put a breakpoint, and we will adjust it, right? Excuse me. So we will write the formula in here, and we will adjust it. Okay. So or we can put the figures and let it write first, and then we will adjust it. Okay. Okay. So let's run this the full code again, and we are going to go to the 80 number of sale order, sale number 80. Yeah. Now it has written the formula, and it has come to the breakend, right? So let's see what is the formula which has been written. Okay. So let's stop it and see what is the formula of the remark. Yeah. In the remark, there has to be it has written the formula somewhere here, or if we go back to this edit and we go to the code in which we have been looking. So this was the situation. When in the form view, it is from B2 to item 10, item number, and then on the 7th, from B2 to 7th column is this. It is writing that's the formula, right? Okay, point in here so that when the item number becomes 1, that's right. So this is the position. It has found the purchase or the sale order in the sale order detail, and now it is writing it. So now we can put the breakpoint so that we can see what the formula it has worked out. Okay, so let's put a stop in here, and we adjust it. This is the same. So this formula, this formula needs to be adjusted. We will write if, and we put we will write this, the condition that this is equal to space, then space. Otherwise, do whatever you are trying to do. That's it. Okay, so we will put a breakpoint in there. That's it. Okay. So you see, this is, well, this will be, as soon as you have a new entry in here, it will keep on coming, right? Otherwise, as soon as there is a blank, it will stop. So this is the thing which we are expected to make the amendment in the formula. Okay, so let's get back to this form. And here we were doing this. We will go to this code. This is the position where we need this adjustment. Okay, so we will write this. If SR is equal to this, otherwise this, right? So this is what we have done. On one thing we have to add, that is equal to. And in the end, you have to close the bracket. Well, you have to close the bracket in there. That's it. So this way you have adjusted the formula, and now you can run this to see that how it works. Okay. Okay. So let's make it shorter. Let's stop the breakpoint, for example. Yeah, we have make sure that we have no breakpoint so that it shows smoothly without any break. Okay. So now we are going to get the sale order entry. In the entry, we are now going to enter the AT number of sale order, and this is going to display. Okay, it has that if it is no. Okay, you have to adjust the formula, right? So what is the formula? We close it. We go to form view. This is the remark. So if you say this, if serial number is equal to, you have to use this. It's equal to this. And in double quotes, I mean double quotes. If this is equal to space, then double space. That's it. In double quotes, right? This is the reason why it works well. So, so we have adjusted it, and we do the same thing in the VBA. We go to here, and here we have to, when we are in VBA, you have to use 4 times, not 2 times, the 4 times. So this will make it work. Okay, let's start again and go again. So this time it is going to work. So let's press 80. You can see that now this is consistent and no extra entry being made there. Okay, so this is how we have done, and we can do the adjustment and debugging and making the corrections in the formula, and all the in making the corrections in the VBA code, and your system is working. So how it easily available when you adopt the object-oriented approach. You focus on to the only the object which needs to be corrected, to be enhanced, or to so the object-oriented programming gives you the liberty to work in a systematic manner. You gives you the chance to save your time, and you don't. This is the advantage of the object-oriented language, that you don't have to be worried about those other things. Only your focus is to the particular object on which you need the amendment. Okay, thank you very much for joining, and we will come up with more discussions in the system improvement and in the next video, inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.